Alright, first I'll have to explain what a gig is all about. A gig is an announcement, it tells people you are going to offer a particular service. I will write for you is a gig. I will design for you is 1 gig. I will do research for you is 1 gig. It's best to leave your gig concentrated on one particular service you can offer. So in this case, let's start with a writing gig. So we'll say I will write a compelling article for you. Your gig title must not be too long or too short. A too long title will not be seen, and a too short title will not be impactful. So we could actually add some keywords which we know that people are actually looking for in the marketplace, like SEO or well researched. So our gig title will read, I will write an SEO well researched compelling article for you. Simple and sweet. Now in our category, you see some suggested categories which you can put your gig under. We would suggest that you can choose any of them, or you could go through Fiverr's whole collection and choose the one which best describes your gig. In this case, we'll be choosing writing and translation, articles and blog posts. Then we have to fill in some metadata. Retail and e-commerce. You can actually fill in any of these options depending on what you are very good at. Our language will be English, our tone will be professional, and our article type can be a listicle. The search tags. Search tags in this case refers to those keywords people input in the search bar when they're looking for freelancers anytime they come to Fiverr's website. Like I said previously, it's best we use tags that people usually search for when they are searching for people in your niche. So in this case, we use SEO optimization, writing, business writing, internet researcher, blog post. These are popular terms people use to search for writers on Fiverr. On the next page, you'll be prompted to fill in your scope and your pricing. You could actually start off by filling in the name of your packages: basic, standard, professional. You could start with starter pack, standard pack. Just use something that makes you sound professional. So under every package, you write what you're going to do. My basic package is I will write 500 words. My standard, I will write 1,000 words, and my premium, I'll write 1,500 words. My basic package, 1 day delivery, standard 2 days, premium 2 days. You could actually make this 3 days. Revisions or limited. Revisions means how many times are you going to review your delivery. Usually I set it to unlimited because even if your buyer is not pleased with your offer, he can cancel the order at any time. So it's best to just leave it at unlimited to show that this gives them confidence that okay, no matter how many times they come back, you are willing to edit and proofread until they are satisfied. So what's included: 500, 1,000, 1,005. Topic research. If you want to add your references and citations, a data chart, then your pricing. As a new seller, I will advise you to start off with $5. Yes, it's a very low amount of money, but as you build up your profile and you have reviews, trust me, the orders will start rushing in, and you can increase this figure anytime you feel like. So our basic is $5, our standard is 10, and our premium is 15. You can add other gig extras, but we'll get to this later on. So you save and you continue. Okay, on the very next page, you'll be prompted to fill in our gig description. Your gig description has to be sweet and compelling. Let's use this example. I am an experienced and passionate web content, article, and blog post writer who has written over 10,000 articles for clients in different parts of the world. It shows that you have experience in what you do. It lists what you do: web content, article, and blog posts, written over 10,000 articles, different parts of the world. These are all keywords to show that you are able to deliver at any point in time. This makes your buyers trust you even more. I would advise you to do some research before sitting down to craft a great description, as you might not change it for a very long time. When we are done with filling in our great description, we can save and continue. On the very next page, you ask for our requirements. What do you need from the buyer before you can start doing the job? So first of all, if it's an article writing niche, we'll ask for a topic. What is your topic? Free text and add. Depending on what you are offering to do, you could add as many requirements as you like. If you are going into digital marketing, if you are going into graphics design, you could actually ask the person for samples of their logo, for virtually anything that you need to start your job. So when we are done with this, we save and continue. Good. Here is where we can upload our gig picture. Your gig picture actually has to be very sellable. It has to be very compelling. It has to be very eye-catching. That's the word. It has to be very eye-catching, because when all the gigs are listed out, is the images that actually draws somebody's attention to your gig. So in this case, because of this is just an example, we'll be using our defaults. Let's get started and save and continue. Congratulations, we are almost done with our first gig. Before we can publish our gig and make it live, we have to verify our phone number. So we'll verify now. Of course, you input your country and you enter your phone number. Then you verify either by SMS or by phone call. As soon as you verify your phone number, your gig is now live. So that's it, guys. We've successfully created our very first I Will Write an SEO Well Researched Compelling article for you. This is our basic gig, standard, premium. You can actually edit this at any point in time you like. If you see any typos or any errors, or you want to change the amount, you want to change any information you put up here, you can actually edit this by coming to this edit gig button, and you'll be taken back to your edit gig page. And that's it, guys, for creating your profile account and creating your first gig. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.